Everybody, to my English learning channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It's free and it really would help a lot. Thank you very much. So in today's lesson, we're going to be doing the verb to be. Now, a lot of people normally struggle with this, but we have lots of examples in today's lesson. So we'll be sure to sort all of your problems out with the verb to be. So please do read along with me and let's get right into it. Now over here in this square, we have singular, which means one, and plural, which means more or many. Write the right form of the verb to be. Singular is I am, you are, he, she, or it is. And the plural form is we are, you are, they are. Now, I know that the numbers are a bit jumbled, so let's start on the right with number 1. My cat is black and white. He is inside the house. Mom and dad are away. You see, because mom and dad are two, so we use are. Mom and dad are away. Grandma is here. Grass is green. The sun is yellow. Is the sea blue? New York is a city in the USA. Canada is north of the USA. A horse is an animal. The bike is from my father. The poster is from John. The plane is late. The people are noisy. You see, because people are many, so we use are. The people are noisy. Nobody is here. John, Mike, and Bo are sick. An egg is white and yellow. Rome is the capital city of Italy. Beans are green. They are healthy. I am hungry. Sylvia is in love with Bob. The queen is fat. The king is strong. You are brave. They are mad. Coffee is hot. Ice cream is cold. Pancakes are good. It is a super job. Very good. You're doing well so far. Let's go to number 31 on the other side. Scott is a boy. He is 7 years old. Maria is a girl. She is Scott's sister. You are in my house. I like it when you are here. He is a good footballer. They are from Germany. We are from Denmark. It is hot today. Tinker is a dog. He is my dog. A football is often white. It is my bike. Muzzy is a monster. We are happy. Are you from America? She is from Canada. I am from Australia. He is tall. They are new here. Today is Tuesday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. Peter is in grade 3. Sarah and Derek are at home. We are going to eat now. I am good at math. You and I are good friends. Are you his friend? Hockey is a winter sport. Very good, everybody. Great job. Well, that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. And remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye, everybody.